Today we look at a Python library for visualizing the contents of Archivematica METS files.
Archivematica produces METS files when creating archival information packages. What does this library do with them?
It aggregates and visualizes the processing events, the premise event records, recorded during AIP creation.
So you can see what preservation actions were taken on each file.
Exactly. The library makes that information accessible outside of the METS Flask web application.
The source is at github.com/nakamura196/mets_tools and documentation is on GitHub pages.
The library is a standalone version of METS Flask functionality, built with nbdev.
nbdev integrates notebooks with documentation and testing.
The README in the repository covers installation and usage.
Using S3 storage with Archivematica and Gacanyne RDM, these AIPs can be analyzed further using BinderHub.
This library fits into that workflow for inspecting what Archivematica recorded about each preservation process.
A practical tool for institutions using Archivematica in their digital preservation workflows.